Hello friends, today we will learn 5 homophones and the building sentence using them. Fair, fair. The judge gave a fair decision both sides of the argument. The bus fare has increased this month. Road, road. The road to the city is very busy. She rode a horse yesterday. Cent, cent. $1 has 100 cents. She sent me a message. Bell, bell. She filled the bell with water. His face went pale when heard the bad news. Site, site. This is the site where they are building a new school. She lost her sight after the accident. Thanks for my watching video. Please subscribe my channel.